Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a farmer drone. We'll go through the fundamental steps to construct your own agricultural drone, designed to enhance farm efficiency. You'll learn about selecting the right parts, integrating specialized sensors, and setting up the software for effective crop management. This guide aims to provide clear, actionable instructions, helping you build a valuable tool for modern agriculture. Get ready to transform your farming practices with drone technology. Building your farmer drone starts with selecting the right hardware. A strong, lightweight frame, often made of carbon fiber, is crucial for carrying equipment. You'll need powerful motors and efficient propellers to ensure stable flight and lift a payload of up to 5 kilograms. An advanced flight controller provides autonomous navigation, while a high-capacity battery, offering over 30 minutes of flight, ensures extensive field coverage. These components form the backbone of your agricultural drone. Progression in Retro Brawl Stars mirrors the early days. You'll advance along the original trophy road, earning rewards and unlocking new brawlers as you gain trophies. Brawlers are primarily acquired through opening classic Brawl boxes, which contain coins, power points, and sometimes new characters. Efficiently managing your coins and power points is crucial for upgrading your favorite brawlers to their maximum power level of 10. Once you have all your components, careful assembly is key. Ensure every connection is secure and all sensors are properly calibrated for accurate data collection. Before its first mission, thoroughly test the flight controls in a safe area. When operating, plan efficient flight paths to cover your fields, typically at an altitude of 10 meters, maximizing data capture. Regular maintenance, including battery care and propeller checks, will ensure your farmer drone performs reliably for many seasons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.